guys, happy Friday. In the spirit of paying it forward, between now and the end of the year, every Finding Your Voice lecture is going to be free of charge. From my perspective, all these years I've been doing the lecture, and it's always been about me wanting to share my life's passion and the passion of all the instructors here. Really share what voiceover is about. Give people, as you guys know, the real straight story, straight talk about the realities of the business. And the Finding Your Voice lecture has always been the vehicle that I've had to help people look inside themselves and begin to find their voice. And so I personally thought, after 30 plus years now, what better way for me to just personally be able to pay it forward than to offer that for free. I think we're on to something good, guys. Woo! So anyway, I love you guys and have a great weekend, and I'll see you around.